In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your sales settings in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process that can be completed in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. To do this, click on the sign in button and choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. Once you're on the login page, go ahead and type in your credentials. Make sure everything is spelled correctly, then hit continue to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, it's time to navigate over to the settings area. To do that, click on the gear icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. This will bring you to a drop-down menu with a variety of options. In this list, select Account and Settings. This is where you'll be able to control a broad range of settings related to your QuickBooks Online experience. Next, within the Account and Settings menu, you'll see several tabs. Look for the tab labeled Sales and give it a click. This section is dedicated to all the sales related settings you might need. Now you're in the right place to customize your QuickBooks Online sales settings to suit your business needs perfectly. Within the sales settings, you'll find a host of customization options. You can start by adjusting your forms, the invoices and receipts that you'll send to customers. This is where you can personalize everything from the header to the details included in each form, helping ensure that your documents match your brand identity. After form adjustments, take a look at the sales content section. Here you can customize what information shows up on your sales forms. This might include how product and service details are displayed and whether to include transaction numbers or custom fields that are specific to your business needs. You can also manage products and services within the sales settings. This part allows you to add, remove, or edit the products and services you offer. It can be immensely helpful to review this section regularly, ensuring your product and service listings are up to date, which helps maintain accuracy when generating invoices and sales records. Another feature you might find useful here is managing late fees. If your business policy includes charging for late payments, you can configure these settings to automatically apply these fees, saving you time and hassle in the billing process. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, make sure to save your changes. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to setting up your sales settings in QuickBooks Online. With everything correctly configured, you'll be able to streamline your sales operations and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.